In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove bullet characters on your Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see here, I have this list and I wish to remove these bullet characters. To do this, it's quite simple. Just go ahead and click on bullet option here. Make sure you are on home. So if you click on this, now you can see we have an option to change your bullet style or characters. However, for my case, I want to remove them completely. To do this, just go ahead and click on none. And if I click on none here, you can see we have bullet character removed on the line that I had the cursor blinking. However, if you want this to be removed for all your lines or for all your list, just go ahead and highlight all the list and then head to the bullet option here and choose none. By doing this, now we have the bullet characters removed from all the lists. So that's how you can remove bullet characters in Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.